everybody, Pat with Jade Molds. We've been talking a lot recently about doing bigger molds. We got the big frames, we got the space. We're adding equipment now. This is the newer EDM. This one goes up to 1.2 meters. We've got a couple more on the way. We'll be talking about CNCs in a minute. But when you got big molds, get in touch with Jade. We know how to handle it. Talking about big molds, the CNC, the new CNC behind me, this is our 6th CNC. For machine steel, we got 3 for copper electrodes. This one goes 2 meters long, 1.6 meters high. We can do big steel here. We got the frames for it. We got the big presses for it. We're here to take care of your big molds. Get in touch with us today.